Hey there, Dave Gardner here. I'm with the man, Joel Therien, the CEO of GDO, now Lifestyle, and many other awesome programs that I've been involved with since 2009.
You know,
As soon as
it's
I get
it's
back.
our team that thanks everybody that's here, because without the people willing to come here, without the people willing to put in the hours every single day to grow this business, this wouldn't happen at all. So it's a joint venture, it's a family. We came here, you know, I've known you for a while, Dave, but there's others here that I met for the first time. We came here as strangers and we're leaving as best friends. That's what networking is all about. It's the relationship first, then a great product and a great opportunity. And I couldn't be working with better people like yourself. I really appreciate your loyalty from 2009 on, folks. With people like Dave and the other people that are here and the people that are watching, as long as you put in that consistency every single day, I promise you we will be building this to a $1 billion company. You know, we've done a few $1 million, which is nothing, but it's going to be billions and billions. And why is it billions? First, you got to have a great product, then you need great leadership like Dave, a great compensation plan, and the money will follow. We're going to have great customers, great leadership, great products, a great team. So thank you, sir, for everything.
I appreciate it. Ready to rock and come join us. Next event, you better be here.
Yes.